Hi guys, it's Mark from Go Garage, Go Service. Video today. We're talking about this Suzuki Alto Turbo RS with the automatic gear shift auto transmission, which has a common issues of not having a smooth gear change after a period of time, say maybe after 20,000 k's of driving. So we're just demonstrating a before and after video here, and let's go have a drive and just to demonstrate what the issue is all about. Okay. So when downshifting and just got that jerkiness, maybe more noticeable on the uphill than the downhill. So we just turn around here, get a bit more of an incline uphill run. So the car is lagging, changing the gears. See, it's still stuck in fifth gear. So you can feel the jerkiness. Just slow reaction to change to lower gear. And now we're gonna try the Motys product, which was got good recommendations for a lot of the Alto Turbo RS owners with the AGS gearbox. So we're gonna put this Motys M405 fluid for the automatic gear shift transmission for this Suzuki Alto Turbo RS, and it's a slight upgrade and proven to have a smoother transition between the gears. So let's go through the process. Okay, all right, let's do the after change run. Here we go. That's smooth. It's less noisy, you don't hear the tap noise more. Now go. It's much smoother. Even in manual mode, it's much smoother. Very much more responsive. Yeah, it's much smoother. First, second, third, and fourth. Yep, you can feel straight away. You quickly downshift to second. Yeah, much smoother. 2-3 times more smoother. I would, and not try to bluff, but yeah. Car doesn't really want to change gear before, or just really lagging, and now much more responsive. Yeah, even in manual mode, it's much more responsive than before. As per the previous segment, we did a before and after test with the AGS fluid change as well as the transmission fluid change with the Motys product. We show here noticeable improvement on the gear changes on the Alto Turbo RS that we showcasing. Manufacturer recommendation, you should do this every 20,000 kilometers on the AGS module. and every 40,000 Ks on the transmission. The Motys range, they have a more higher temperature tolerance for not everyday road use, because in Japan, they take these cars into sort of weekend circuit days and stuff, events like that. So you can see on the bottom, it says it's a DEX D3, which stands for Dexon 3 Plus compatible vehicles. So any automatic transmission compatible with the Dexon 3 can use this product as well. So with this M405 gearbox fluid, it's GL5 compatible. So any automotive vehicle that's GL5 compatible with for the gearbox can use this product as well. There's more than just transmission fluids from the Motys range. There's engine oils, as well as other gearbox oils for different applications for road use or competition use, as well as brake fluids and coolants, etc. So all lubricants range related to the vehicle, Motys does provide it. And please check our website on goparts.com.au, and we are the Australian distributor for Motys lubricants.